No, kaya natin to sa... Oh, yeah, the tree. Hey, get out of this. Only us. It looks garbage to me. I'm sorry. I don't eat food. Game na. Oh no, Fears of Phantom.
Take it. Okay. Cheap. Okay.
Wait lang. Oh, naglalag ako. Please. Yes. Oh. Do my ritual.
What?
Do this.
Oh, I'm here.
Yes, nandito ka na. Sige, wait lang tayo. Kami, this is Fears of Phantom ripped off. Ito. Hi, hey. Tagal. Ang tagal. At yung Fears of Phantom, ang tagal. Ayan, i-press mo. Okay, guys, this is gonna take years. I'm a male.
He's a male.
Normal.
It's hard. Huh?
Normal pinili ko.
I didn't even get to play.
I'm Anthony Barkis. Medyo siya pa. Here's the Phantom. Ano rip off ba one? I'm Anthony Barkis. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh. Ano tayo? Huh? Nandito na ako eh.
I'm driving.
Nandito na ako eh.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go! Nagda-drive si Sammy while I'm stuck here lagging. Ay, grabe, nag-rhyming. Oh, but the horror experience I malapit. There's this one too. Oh, this is a remake. Ah! Okay. Ang nonchalant naman ng contest dito. Why is the contest so nonchalant? Just walking. Oy, nandito na tayo sa amin. Sige. Okay.
Can you please lower your volume?
Yes.
So loud.
Naka-lower na. 4 na yan ah. Dalian nyo po. Hey, dali. Ba yan? Loading yan. Okay, another way to it. Okay, nagsistart na. Hey, Sammy, nagsistart na. 12 a.m. Okay, Sammy, we'll play MM2 or any game you want. You receive a message. Hey, yung message
After the
natin.
tunnel, make sure to park your car. And then,
Because
from here, cars get stuck
from the
in
mud,
the mud.
you will be on the foot until you reach the watchtower.
Water fountain talaga.
Yes, sir, I got
Ano
it.
gagawin?
Okay, yung cellphone ko, ba't nasa screen? Yung nakukuha yung cellphone ko.
De joke lang.
I keep it in the wait lang. The key is inside the shed.
Ito may Robux. Ano ito?
Get the key. Nasa shed. Paano ako magtakbo?
Sige, nakuha ka lang na. Asan ka? Akit ka dito?
Oh, okay. But,
Are you gonna come here?
yeah, wait lang. Ang pangit kong game na ko. Rip off kasi ito. Ew.
I'm by the edge.
Okay. This was based on a true story.
Really?
Yeah. Nandito na ako.
You're not.
I'm here! Hmm? Why I'm open mo na? Hala, grabe naman to. Hit kayo mag-remind. Yes, dyan ka lang sa amin. Ang bagal. I'm so slow. The reminder is so late. Sa amin, dyan ka lang. Ang riff off nandito to. Sige, saan na, ano ka na?
Red table.
Okay. Okay.
Lock your damn door. Lock your doors before you sleep.
Okay. Don't lock the doors. The danger cannot get in. Lock mo pala, eh. Ba't to? Ang dilim! Wala akong makita. Sami, ang
That
dilim.
didn't even do anything.
Sami, ang dilim. Wala akong makita. Sami. Ay, wait. Wala akong makita eh.
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
I'm feeling chilly. The furnace can save me. Okay, anong gagawin dito? Saan? Receive a message.
Diba?
Hey, boss. Oh, luto tayo pagkain. What is it now? Where did you keep the logs at? It's on the balcony beside the front door. It's on the balcony beside the front door. Nakita mo ba? Uy, papasok! Sorry! We use the power of...
Walk slowly to it.
Go use the computer. Okay, ang temper, ang temptation. Ay, bumalik ka pa.
Ay, nalit?
Uy, yung ano yung...
Anong pangalan ng ano niya?
Ha?
Anong pangalan ng ano niya?
Ng ano? Username?
Hindi, yung lagay niya for.
Ano? The cultist.
The Hermes?
Cultist. Yes! Makita mo yun. Makita mo.
Ba't hindi ako
Di ako makagano. Flashlight. Gusto ko flashlight. Ba't may bayad ka?
Ayun si Sam.
Yes, yun si Sam. Sabi, nakita mo yun. Nakita mo si Sam.
Uy, nagigilis ako.
Sabi, nakita mo yun.
Uy. Uy, bakit na? Ano yung sabi?
Hey, uy, hindi ko pa nalasa yung ano, pintuan. Hindi ko pa nasa yung pintuan.
I haven't talked to you. Bakit pa naman?
Nakita ko. Ay. Answer the radio. Ano ba yun? Dahil ko napagawa.
Guys, I haven't got your name yet. But in the skin,
Mine.
Nilalat.
The cultist? Uy, anong gusto mo sagutin? Who's this? Yes, of course.
oh, I work on another tower nearby. I saw your lights turn on.
Uy, nasa ako? Uy, baka mag-reach tayo. Alis ka dyan. Sorry. Ay, buti na sa amin ako. What's your name? What?
I am Connor. I have to watch everything that happens here. What brings you here?
Ay, wait. Okay.
What's my
Me too.
What's your
Anyways, you should turn your furnace off.
Ay,
The storm's about
Yeah.
coming soon.
Dito lang ako.
oh, sige, furnace. Paano tayo
Ay, bilis ko. Ayun ka dito.
Eh, na-stuck na nga ako dyan eh. Ayoko,
Ba't yung avatar ng lalaki?
ha? Babae to, ako yung lalaki.
The gasoline must be near the furnace. Pour it in.
Yes. Uy, papul. Sampaw na.
Sorry.
Saan nilagay yung... Saan ano? Nilagay mo. Shine bright like a diamond.
I see the smoke from your tower.
O sige, ano na.
It's great to see the watchtower alive again.
Sige. Dito ka ulit, eh. What? Why did the guy before
Stop
leave?
moving.
Why did the guy before leave? Why did the... Oh,
More than a year now. Nobody wanted to work on that tower.
it's been more than a year now. Bakit nasa taas? Nasa katas-taasan na ako.
Copy, new guy.
Yes, copy. Tingin ako sa labas.
I think I'm gonna sign off for today, new guy.
Ano tawag pala yun?
Oo. Sige.
Bedbug spike.
Parang 1999.
Hindi. Nahulog pa ako sa amin.
Mga kultis.
Wala pa sa amin. Ayun. Ito yun. Go to sleep. Nasaan na pa ako hagdan na? I'm still Go to sleep. Go to sleep.
Good night. Ako
Hey,
na
wag
dito.
pa. Nasa labas pa ako.
Ang dilim!
Nasa labas. 3:30 a.m. Ano ba yung mga ano dun?
Rainbow!
Rainbow! There's a rainbow!
Dalawa! Oh my God! May rainbow! Puntahan natin!
Puntahan natin.
Hoy, wait! Picture muna natin. Kasi
Sige.
importante pa yun.
There's a rainbow, yo! Kami, dalian mo ko dito. There's a rainbow, yo! Balik ka rin sa game na. May rainbow, send mo yan sa akin. Kaya balik ka na. Sige. Dali.
Iba yung sunny dito, babe.
Kaya balik ka na. Uy, tayo, nag-leave ka na, tayo. Gusto ko lang tayo. Very tight.
Ang ganda.
Sige.
Dalawa siya
Bye,
kasi
guys.